Hello! What's good, guys? It's your girl Justine, also known as Just Sold Out. Be sure to hit the subscribe button below for new weekly content. And now on to the unboxing. Today we're unboxing a Nike Dunk. More importantly, we're unboxing a Nike Woman's Dunk. I have the Nike Dunk Woman Exclusive Metallic Silver. The official name for the shoe is a Nike Dunk Low Woman's Official Gals Metallic Silver. As you can see, it comes in a classic Nike Dunk box. Nothing too special about this. You got your Nike branding all over. A little background about this shoe. Nike is in the process of making sizes more inclusive. What does that mean? It means that women and small-footed men are asking for more inclusive sizing, not woman exclusives. This is something that, as a longtime female sneakerhead, I 100% support and agree. While it's great to see Nike catering more to the women's market, it doesn't necessarily mean that we want woman exclusive shoes. The concepts of shrink it and pink it is common amongst a lot of different companies who believe that they can just take whatever products they have, shrink it, and make it pink. Ultimately, that caters to women. Maybe that worked, 10, 20, 30, 40 years ago, but it does not work today. For example, a ton of the Travis Scott shoes, they do not come in a woman's size 7. Do you know how frustrating it is to want something and then see that it actually doesn't come in your size? Don't even get me started on grade school quality. We'll leave that for another video. Anyways, let's get to this unboxing. Looks like you got some recycled tissue paper on the inside, no branding whatsoever, plain, simple, one sheet of tissue paper. And then we got the shoe. So I've been holding on to these sneakers. They actually released December 9th, 2021. This shoe retailed for $110. Currently on the resale market, it's not too bad. Anywhere between $50 to $100 resale added on to that retail price is what you'll basically pay today. If you really like outspoken, flamboyant shoes, maybe this speaks to you because it definitely speaks to me, and that is my style. First off, right away upon even just looking at the shoe, the metallic leather, the cracked actually metallic leather really pops out to your eyes. You'll notice it because it isn't just one metallic straight color, smooth texture. It actually has little cracked layers to it. It almost feels kind of like an elephant print, kind of sorta, but I really love the texture that the metallic gives, and it does seem with a little wear and tear, the shoe will actually earn a little character. So the black swoosh is actually one of the reasons why I am a little indifferent about this shoe. It's made of a black nubuck, smooth, not really entirely 100% black. It's almost like a charcoal smoky black. You'll see that on both the medial and lateral sides of the shoe. You have a white canvas upper, but actually, to me, it feels almost mesh-like rather than canvas. I know that canvas can come in all different kind of qualities and different textures, but yeah, so supposedly this is made of a white canvas. It does almost feel like a really mesh material though. I guess the difference between the canvas is that it does feel a little bit stiffer than the mesh that is definitely used on the inner side of the shoes. You have your classic woven tongue tag, as well as just black Nike branded insoles. These shoes, while they came laced up with some gray laces, they do also come with a little hit of gold. Honestly, I feel, I don't know if I would use the gold laces just because the cracked texture of the metallic silver is just so nice. I almost don't want to take away from it, and I do like the lighter gray shoelaces on top. Dang, it's so hard. I mean, I do think the gold would look pretty cool, but I would definitely want to just stick with the gray. You got your classic Nike Dunk sole. The midsole is all white, as the outsole is this light gray color, which we've seen timeless times again and again by Nike. It seems that the Nike Dunk factory for the woman shoe manufacturer seems like they are really on point with their quality, with their materials. It almost just feels like maybe it's made in a whole nother factory than some of those Air Jordans. There's a few little threads, but other than that, I would say quality is pretty good. I think the stitch line on the lateral side of the left shoe across the swoosh, it just looks a little funky and it's not straight, and it really annoys me. Whereas of course on the medial side, it looks straight and great to go. One thing I want to note is that when I did receive this shoe, it's direct from the sneakers app, I saw a handful of like little black spots on the upper panel. This is honestly one of the reasons why I'm always a little hesitant to get any kind of white upper, just because I really care what material it is. It will really matter how easy it is to clean, how simple. Something like this, I'm really detracted from keeping, from buying. I'm not entirely sure, just because I already see these black spots, and even though I know that they're gonna get dirty, their shoes, it just really irks me so much that my brand new shoes, they came this way. Anyways, enough about that. I also had this really weird black line on the back heel of the right shoe. Again, another reason why I'm detracted from maybe keeping this or actually wearing it. Then again, I am just super interested to see how this wear and tears over time. Overall, in the past few years, I mean, my Nike Dunk shoes are kind of like my go-tos. They're really easy to throw on. They go with just about every single outfit, ranging from skirts to leggings to a crazy fit. I think just because they're so versatile, it's one of the reasons why I question keeping this shoe. I'm just super unsure right now at this time. And because of that, no on-foot shots. I just don't know if I'm gonna keep them or not. I will say, the more that I stare at them, the more that I look at them, I kind of just want to keep them. We'll just have to see. Only time will tell. Thanks so much for joining me in this video. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment your favorite Nike Dunk shoe below. I will see you guys in the next one.